Hello everyone, we are going to cook mac and cheese today. So my students and I have planned it since few days ago. These are the ingredients. Of course, we will need pasta and it's macaroni. I think we use 450 grams in total. Then we use 1 liter of milk, like fresh milk, and then smoked beef, but later we'll also add sausage. And then we use 3 kinds of cheese, so it's cheddar and mozzarella and quick melt cheese as the topping. So we use quick melt and mozzarella as the topping, and then margarine, and then pepper, salt, chicken powder, and of course onion and garlic. Okay, now we are boiling water in the pot. We will also put salt and oil into the boiling water. And now the pasta in, and remember to always check the texture and keep stirring the pasta so they will not stick onto the bottom of the pan. Yeah, keep stirring, and the texture is actually up to you, but it should not be too soft and it should not be too hard. You can check the texture later using fork. And now we have strained the pasta. You can see the texture. Now we are going to cook the sauce. First we put margarine, onion, and garlic. You can't really see the garlic because we chop it finely. It smells really good. Keep stirring until it turns a bit brown, and then we put the sausage and the smoked beef in. Keep stirring, and now milk in, and then cheese in. So this is the cheddar. Now macaroni in. You will see that the milk will be absorbed by the pasta. So we keep stirring them again so the pasta will not stick on the bottom of the pan. It smells really good. We wait until this texture. So we have turned off the stove, and we will transfer the pasta into the small containers, and after that we will put mozzarella and the quick melt cheese on top before we finally bake them into the oven. So we have finished transferred them, and we are going to bake them in the oven. And here we go. So the temperature is around 180, and we will set 20 minutes. And this is how they look after they finish. But actually it's up to you. If you want to have the pasta more brown, you can add the time and the temperature. Thank you.